What is more environmentally friendly, mining gold or mining Bitcoin? The answer is really going to be shocking to you, and we're going to be talking about that in today's video. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. Let's go ahead and jump right on into the markets and see where we're starting today off at. Gold is up nicely, currently at 1847 even. Silver also up very nicely at 27.56. That gives us a ratio of 67.03. Platinum is steady, currently at 1253.76. Palladium is just shy of 3,000 at 29.99.65. And rhodium is down slightly, currently at 27,400. In base metals, we've seen nice gains across the board. Copper up nicely at 486. Nickel also up very nicely at 821. Aluminum is at $1.16. Zinc is up at $1.38. And lead is even at $1. Barrels of crude oil are down slightly, currently at 64.27 a barrel. We saw losses on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones was down 34 points at 34,742.82. The NASDAQ was down a whopping 350 points at 13,401.86. And the S&P 500 was down 44 points at 4188.43. The US dollar index is also down significantly. It is hovering just above the 90 point at 90.08. If you guys trade in cryptocurrencies, those are down somewhat. Bitcoin is down, currently at 55,610.71. Dogecoin is at 51 cents. It did not fare very well when Elon Musk was making fun of it on SNL over the weekend. Thought that was kind of funny myself. Not so funny for the guys that have a lot of money tied up in Dogecoin right now, but it is still up from where probably a lot of you guys, hopefully, if you're in it, and you bought it at like 9 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents, somewhere in that range, and you're still coming out way ahead. Fingers crossed for you. If you happen to exchange a gold back, whether it be the Utah, Nevada, or New Hampshire, those are exchanging for $3.81 this morning. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're taking a quick hot take at whether gold or mining cryptocurrencies is more environmentally friendly. And the answer is quite shocking. This is actually part of a podcast over on Kitco News. This is from Michael McCrae from over the weekend. They interviewed, I'm actually not going to read the article. The article has got a lot of technical stuff in it. I'm not going to bore you with that. But they start off with a whopper right in the beginning. They had an interview with Mark Fellows, who's the co-founder and director of Skarn Associates. Skarn Associates is a company that helps mining companies measure their carbon footprint. And he says, for $1 worth of Bitcoin, CO2 emissions are between 2.2 and 2.3 kilograms versus just 0.5 kilograms of CO2 emissions for mining a dollar's worth of gold. So that is quite shocking. It's 5 times as much money it takes, or five times as much carbon is emitted in mining $1 worth of Bitcoin than mining $1 worth of gold. I found that to be very fascinating, actually. For everybody out there that wants to be so environmentally friendly, and I'm not saying that everybody that invests in Bitcoin is a tree hugger, but I get the sense that a younger generation is latched onto Bitcoin, and they typically are the ones that are wanting to be more environmentally friendly. So it costs the environment 5 times as much to mine $1 worth of Bitcoin as it does to mine $1 worth of gold. Very fascinating indeed. And speaking of gold, we have a Utah gold bag to give away. That's right. We had Free Gold Friday last week, And today is the day we are going to be drawing the winner for that. I have plugged in. Goldback was the word that you had to have in your comment, and we had 11 commenters on that video. So let's go ahead and fire up the old random comment generator. Good luck, everyone. I'm going to make this noise. Everybody, my longtime viewers will remember this noise. Beep, 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 beep. And the winner is Hopeful Simplicity. Okay, so this is my girlfriend. This is Hopeful Simplicity. She's a very, very supportive girlfriend, but she is still chapped from the last time that she won, and I said that she could not win. So I have to keep with tradition. I cannot, in good faith, babe, I'm sorry, I cannot allow you to win the gold back. You already have the trophy. Why would you want a consolation prize? I am going to go ahead. I'm sorry. I have to, babe. I have to pick another winner. So here we go. Boop, 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 boop. Wide Winger. Wide Winger says, Goldbacks are very interesting. Collected all of Nevada's. Says, but today's lazy people are all about easy, and it's easier with a chip in your wrist or on a card. So true. Very true. Wide Winger, I think I know who you are. Email me at indieguy711@gmail.com. I think you might be able to message me on Facebook as well. I think we might be friends over there if I'm remembering the right person. So, email me indieguy711@gmail.com, and we will get this mailed over to you. And, so sorry, babe. I'm going to get so much shit for this when I get home. Oh, boy. All right, guys. I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, including Hopeful Simplicity. And if you appreciate old NDXP bullying, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for me right there. Helps me out immensely. If you haven't been new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content comes out, make sure you hit the thumbs up or hit the subscribe and jingle bell icon. There we go, right there in the corner. Bing bong, so you can stay notified of when new content comes out. If you want to catch up on the back catalog, of course, we're going to have the box pop up on this side of the screen. This is the gateway to the back catalog video, somewhere around 450 strong at this point. You can start clicking through those at your heart's content at the end of this one. Guys, I've been IndieXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, you should at least find your pockets heavy.